Yeah, it's a 10-mile trail. It's called the Tweetsie Trail. It goes from John City to Elizabethton. We are gonna go on the Tweetsie Trail today. Got the M3 crane gimbal camera set up on there, so it should be a little bit smoother. We're gonna go on the Tweetsie Trail, bicycle trail, with our friends Matt and Emily. Probably take a few pictures, use the GoPro, do a short little video, see how that goes. Here we go.
Tweetsie Trail ride bikes.
And it's in Johnson City, right?
Yep.
Have we been on this one before?
Once.
How did you like it?
It was okay. I want to go again to see how things are.
Hopefully we don't get murdered by, you know, the meth heads and the cocaine addicts.
No, that's only on the Kingsport Trail.
Oh yeah,
that's the green belt.
That is the green belt. Okay. Well, we'll see how this goes. Are you almost ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, good. We made it to their house. We'll see what they're doing right now. Oh yeah. We'll put it on the...
What's this? I'm gonna do it in a either gloss black or a matte black, so the whole thing's gonna be actual black. See this?
We'll need another set for...
Yeah. Well, we just need more bags more than anything, so...
Yeah, duck cloth bags is what you want.
The what?
Duck cloth.
Duck cloth.
Yeah.
Did you put sunscreen on?
I did. Can you tell?
Shiny. Hey, your face looks good.
Thank you.
Hey, I got that makeup.
And it's a beautiful day. Are we almost ready?
Yep.
Y'all should put some lights up there on y'all's front.
Yeah, I know. I thought about that.
Oh, underneath?
Yeah.
Oh, I know. I should.
That would be a great, like y'all could sit out here and...
Oh, yeah. Until we get the back deck done.
Yeah. Your Silverado, honey. I see the Silverado and it looks like honey's truck.
That might be it.
Yeah. But now you look like a papaw when you show up.
I love my papaw truck.
I just need to scan your tag.
And they got a freestyle Coke machine. Coke Zero? I know, let's just do this for her. Because she'll be really...
Two sides.
So this is sesame chicken, lo mein, fried rice. What did you all get? Orange chicken? Sesame chicken.
Good.
Does it taste okay?
See?
Is he not allowed to eat a cookie?
Yeah, I'm not allowed
It
to
wasn't me. Do you know if I was eating a cookie right now, he'd be like, honey, you know you shouldn't eat that.
Right.
Here, put these in your pack.
Alright, let's go this way.
You might get in front and I'll take pictures, guys.
Take a picture. Coffee.
Hey, it's cute. It looks like overalls.
Yeah, it's cute.
How do you feel about it?
It's good. I like Emily and Matt's better, but
Remember, 3 pumps for 20.
then we finally made it back. It was like 16-mile bike ride, and we're gonna finish off with some party games and call it a night.